Hello, I'm Dwight Norris of FishNetwork.com, and today we're going to talk about how to cast an open face reel. Stay tuned. An open face reel is also called a spinning reel. As you can see here, it's one of the, I would say not generic, but it's the most popular forms of reels that you can use. I've taught children young, like 2.5 years old, how to fish with this, not having to use the spin cast thing where it's encapsulated and you get tangles inside of it now. You know, there's no way to get away from tangles. So don't think that that's not going to happen. So, if you looked at a previous video about how to hold a fishing rod, you'll see that start the whole process. You use the old Vulcan grip here, the V. You stick it around the handle, you grab it, and I use a 1, 2, 3 step pattern. So let me show you. It's actually 4 steps, but I like 3 better. So we have it here, and we're going to use our forefinger to grab the line. That's going to secure the line so it doesn't fall out over the ground, and then you get a nest. Not good. Then after that, we're going to open the bail, and this will release the line. This is, well, you should know, you need to do this because you have to cast it. You're gonna have to unlock it. And this lets the line free bail. Lets it go out freely. And after this, it's really a combination step. I say 3 or not, but you wanna face. You can do either way. You can face where you want to actually be going, and then you want to take your rod 45 degrees in the other direction for a basic cast, 10 feet, 20, 15 feet or less. If you need to go more, you can go back a few degrees more, but do not go to 90. 75 degrees is enough. So let's go back to 45. We have our 1 and 2 set, the finger and the open bail, and then you want to cast and let go about 5 degrees before you finish at 0 pop. And that will get you pretty close to a straight cast. And also, with your rod, do not complete the swing, go all the way around. Stop it, point exactly where you want to make the lake. So let's try this out. I pointed and you can't see where it went, but it went straight as an arrow. Right where I'm pointing at is right in the center of the ripple circles of where I'm fishing. Now, if you're trying this out for the first time, I actually don't recommend that you do this like at a lake unless you're alone, there's nobody around you, and there's nowhere to get hung. The way I did it for myself when I was a young kid and for my children is by putting a very large, very bright bobber on the end of the line. Just a bobber, no hook, no nothing dangerous, and have them practice this. First by just casting out straight, could be like 50 times, before they get at least 50% of the time it's going in the general direction of straight. And after that, I pushed out another, not double the distance, but like 50% further. It's like a bush or something, or a tree, and I give them like you should give yourself really something to aim at. Like, I'm gonna hit that rock at least 75% of the time. And you do that until you're at least, the Pareto chart, the 80-20 rule. If I can hit within a 3-foot area of that place straight ahead, then I'm proficient enough to be casting out here in the live water. Because if you're off by, 10 to 15% of the time, the general area you're trying to hit, you're gonna end up in one of those trees, you're gonna end up hitting a stump you don't want to, you're gonna throw into a fallen log, you're gonna hit somebody else, you're gonna be hitting the animals, and it's not fun, it's not fun for them, it's not fun for you. You lose lures, you get people angry, you hurt the environment, you hurt the wildlife. So make sure that you learn how to cast your open face reel effectively and efficiently before you do this. So just to go over the steps. Number 1, get the thing in position here at the top. You hold it with your finger. 2, open the bail. Number 3, get in position, 45-degree angle, cast straight, remain straight, and then within a small degree of change, your lure will be where you pointed your rod. So that's it for today. If you have any other questions or suggestions or information, please like, share, subscribe. Click the bell down below to get notified when I actually make more videos like this or any others, and I'll be back to you shortly.